Namaste students, let us do example number 13 of chapter 6 today. In this question, they have given us a right angle triangle ABC, where at point A 90 degrees is formed. Then they have given us two medians, BL. L is the midpoint of AC. When we join BL, BL is median and M is the midpoint of AB. So CM is also median. They have given us two medians, BL and CM, and they are saying us to prove that if we take the square of these medians, BL square and CM square, if we add the squares of these two medians and make it 4 times, that should be equal to 5 times the square of the hypotenuse of original triangle. For this, we'll be using Pythagoras theorem. As you can see that we have obtained 3 right angle triangles in the given figure. One is the main triangle ABC. Second one is triangle ABL. And third one is triangle AMC. So we'll be using Pythagoras theorem in all the 3 triangles and we'll get a required result. So first of all, in right angle triangle ABC, when we are using Pythagoras theorem, we'll be getting BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So let it be first equation. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABL. If we use Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ABL, here in this triangle ABL, this is 90, so BL will be hypotenuse, so result will be getting is BL square is equal to AL square plus AB square. Now AL, L is the midpoint of AC. That means at place of AL, can we write AC upon 2? Yes, we can. In place of AL, we will be writing AC upon 2. If you make half of AC, it is AL only. Now if we open the square, we will be getting BL square is equal to AC square upon 4 plus AB square. If we take LCM, this 4 will be shifted this side. 4 BL square is equal to AC square plus 4 times AB square. That will be equation number 2. Now we will be applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMC. From right angle triangle AMC, again using Pythagoras theorem. Here hypotenuse is MC. So hypotenuse square means MC square is equal to AL square plus AM square. Now M is the midpoint of AB. So where we have written AM, we can write AB upon 2. We will be getting MC square equals to AC square plus AB square upon 4. And MC square equals to AC square plus AB square upon 4. Again taking LCM, 4 MC square is equal to 4 AC square plus AB square. It will be equation number 3rd. If we add equation number 2nd and equation number 2nd and equation number 3rd, we'll be getting 4 times adding equation 2nd and 3rd, 4 times BL square plus MC square will be equal to AC square plus 4AB square plus 4AC square plus AB square. We have added equation number 2 and 3. So left sides are being added. We have got 4 times of BL square and MC square, and right side we got this thing. Now AC square plus 4AC square means 5AC square, and here 4AB square plus AB square, 5AB square. So again from these two also I will be taking 5 common. 5 AC square plus AB square. We obtained 4 BL square plus MC square is equal to 5 times AC square plus AB square. Here if I use equation number 1, after using equation number 1, I can replace this AC square plus AB square with BC square. So here I can write 5 times BC square using equation number 1. So what we have got? 4 times the square of the medians is equal, sum of the medians is equal to 5 times the hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse of main triangle.